Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and welcome to beginning HTML5 tutorial number 6. This is going to be some more practice, and we are going to continue with that other one that's similar to the Legit PC, which would be like a game review. So we're going to go over some semantic and text markups and put it into a sort of review and cost and things like that of World of Tanks. So we're going to say World of Tanks in a header1 file and a header1 tag element, and then we're going to do a paragraph element, and then we're going to say strong, and we're going to say World of Tanks, and then we're going to close the strong, and then we're going to say which equals, let's do like this. And then we're gonna say, we're gonna close the P just so we don't forget to do that. And we're gonna say we're going to do the abbreviation, and because World of Tanks is often abbreviated as WOT. Oops. Title World of Tanks. And then we gotta close that, and then we're gonna close this, and we're gonna say WOT, and then we're gonna end the abbreviation. Now that's basically it. Actually, let's change. So this is one way to do it. Another way that used to be in HTML4 would be to have an acronym. But apparently he doesn't like that, so let's go ahead and change this to ABBR. So it's abbreviation, and then we're going to say continue on here. So we're gonna say like I'm gonna make sure we're over here. This game was a very good game, and I enjoyed it. Okay. So now we're going to do a block quote, and then we're going to do block quote. And then we gotta set the citing attribute. Then we're gonna end that tag and close the block quote tag. And then in between, we're gonna say, so this is a sample. So we're going to say, Steven. So this would be, some sort of, what do they call it? A testimonial. A little testimonial that you see. This game was very good for a free to play game. So there you go. And that would be in block quotes, and it'll tell you the site, where it was cited from. And then we're going to go ahead and do just a simple so that should indent it there. So there's like a little testimonial, and then it is cited, so that site is inside. And then you also, like we learned, the site element, so that will be our site element. And then we have DFN, and we're gonna say like the price, and then we're gonna say or we're gonna say price free. I'm gonna say price really free, and then we're gonna do a S on this. S, and then close the S. Then really free, and then this one we're going to say, then we're going to do a close the insert, close the P, and then it says really, really free. So this is an insert, this is, sorry, this is delete, this is an insert, this is an S, this is a paragraph, sorry about that. It's paragraph, World of Tanks here, which is a strong. Then we have a block quote. And then, of course, finally, we're going to have a, at the very end, we're going to have an HH horizontal, horizontal line break. And then we're going to do a address. And we're going to say P. And then we're going to say H reference equals. Then we're going to say mail to LegitTechTutorials dot or at where's the at sign? There it is. At gmail.com. Close. And we're going to close the A reference. And close the P. It's not liking that. Let me make sure I did everything correctly here. I probably gotta close the address. Close the address and then close the paragraph. /P. H reference mail to. Oh, I didn't close that. So there we go. Okay, now it doesn't want to draw it. Let me make sure. Okay, so this has got to be closed. Of course, we got to do close the P first. Okay, I'm screwing up right now. Okay, so then we're going to do the A. So we're going to say LegitTechTutorials at gmail.com, and then we're going to close the A. So it's going to go in through here and then see and then if this guy is going to say the mail to, and then it's going to say what's in between here. Then we're going to close the P. And then we're going to close the address. And there we go. There's the address right there, mail to. So there is the end of the World of Tanks review. And then you could go on to the next review, and the next review, always separating it with a horizontal line break. And everything works great. So yeah, so that's basically the going through of an example of what you would do with semantic text markup and the other basic text markup. Okay, so this has been Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and I thank you for watching my HTML5, beginning HTML5 tutorial number 6, which is text practice. And there's a couple other things that we could have done, but this is how I think it best exemplifies it. So I will see you next tutorial where we talk about lists. And I'll see you then. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos in this series and more videos for other series. And I will see you next video. Thank you for watching. Take it easy.